Diarrhea. Diarrhea can be bloody diarrhea or watery diarrhea. And looking at the organisms causing bloody diarrhea, it includes Campylobacter. It can be S-shaped, comma-shaped, and the growth is at 42 degrees Celsius. And E. histolytica, it is amoebic or liver abscess causing. And EHEC, that is a variant of the E. coli. It can produce hemolytic uremic syndrome and it has Shiga-like toxin. Salmonella, that is non-typhoidal variety. It is lactose negative and flagella motility, and animal reservoir is present. And Shigella is lactose negative. It has low ID50 and Shiga toxin, and human reservoir is seen, and bacillary dysentery. Why enterocolitis? It causes the daycare outbreaks and pseudoappendicitis. Watery dysentery, it can be caused by the Clostridium difficile. It is a pseudomembrane colitis, and associated antibiotics include clindamycin and proton pump inhibitors. And Clostridium perfringens, it causes gas gangrene and enterotoxigenic E. coli. It is also known as traveler's diarrhea causing, and heat labile and heat stable toxin. Protozoa, the Giardia and cryptosporidiosis. And Vibria cholera, it is a comma-shaped organism, and rice watery diarrhea is seen, and seafood infection. Viruses can be rotavirus, adenovirus, norovirus.